Alright, hey guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Mark, aka CramFX, and my partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, we're not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that, guys. We are not a buy or sell channel, okay? We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. So if anyone at all is looking for someone who's going to tell them to buy now or sell now, you're straight up on the wrong stream. But of course, if you're looking to trade these Forex markets the right way, and if you want to trade them live with us here at Forex Trading, then stick around, guys, because that's exactly what we're going to do. Big day, okay? NFP, markets are going to be erratic. Let's not go too crazy, okay? Just letting you guys know. Trade small. Don't be risking more than 0.5% or 1% on any trade at any given time. That also being said, any risk that you take upon yourself. Okay, guys, I hope you all are having a good day. Yes, I am going to address the elephant in the room. MFF, okay? It sucks. It absolutely sucks, but it is what it is, right? What are we going to do about it? There's not too much that we can. We've just got to sit tight, game of patience. We're going to see how things play out and have faith that it will work in our favor. Okay, guys, I'm going to quickly start to share my screen with you all, okay? Let me know when you guys see my screen. I have my eyes on the dirty, by the way. Just letting y'all know. That's what I'm looking for. I'm in a little feeler for the dirty as well. Smaller lots, you guys, you'll need to realize that y'all don't need to be using bigger lots at a time like this, okay? If you're testing it out, let it be a small little short position. My bias, as you all know for now, again, we don't predict these markets, but I have been analyzing it for quite some time. I like these sells kicking in. Okay, if the buys want to kick in, they are going to be higher. And same story with Nasdaq. Potentially sell off here. And if we want to start buying on Nasdaq, that is going to be our sweet spot. Okay. Where should your stop loss be? That's up to you guys. 32 people for NFP. Did the notification go off? Let me put it on the chat real quick. Okay, I was expecting more people to be here today. But it is what it is, alright? The ones that are here, we got a bank. Let's have a good one. Also, let's take a quick look at gold. Let's update gold. Okay, could pop off, you guys. Where would I like this? I'd like it up there to push higher, and the sells for me would be down here on gold. Okay, I'm in on the dirty with a small position. Okay, I'm going to see how price wants to break this. We have about 10 more minutes, so I'm not going to stress about it. But if we do get a rejection here from our supply, I may just get done trading before news. Okay, I'm going to wait and see how we want to break that. One-on-ones, watch out. Alright, I'll move maybe right here. If we break those lows, I'm hopping in. Okay, let's see. Let Nasdaq close. Let's take a look at the Scalper Pro in the meantime. My stop loss for this $5 a pip is going to be up in this region, guys. Isaki Selvam on YouTube. What's up, buddy? How's it going? Nothing so far. Okay. Some serious divergence kicking in. Let's see, you guys. I'm gonna quickly set up an order for US 30, okay, slightly safer one, just so that if this happens, I'm gonna be able to bank in. Okay, give me a quick second, guys. Okay, order set. Let's see. Damn it, I haven't looked at the chat yet, have I? Yes, who remembers me? Space, my man. Welcome back, brother. Welcome back. Keon, what's up? I know, Space. We feel you, man. I think it's a lot of us over here that have their accounts frozen at this particular time. What's DAO called on MetaTrader? It could be US 30, could be DJ 30, could be multiple things. Depends on your broker. Guys, listen. Now's the time that y'all put the accounts aside. Okay, I'm talking about you guys on the evaluation accounts and basically the people from the one-on-ones that were trading my Forex funds. Get on a demo account. All right, learn how to trade NFP. Learn the ability to stop yourself from hopping in on a trade. This experience is what is going to add up to your overall growth as a trader. Okay, so hop onto a demo account real quick, do your thing, and practice trading NFP. Okay, guys? And this is only for my one-on-ones, the ones that were trying to get funded. The rest of y'all, knock yourselves out. You can do as you like. Okay, let's take a look at the EMAs real quick. We could have a bounce back till there. Okay, so that's definitely a possibility as well. I have that in mind. Before anyone starts to annotate on my screen and spoils my mood, I'm going to disable it. Back on demo after a long time. Awesome, man. I'm doing trading gold buddies. What do you think? Gold will go up or down? Hare Krishna Shankar, we do not predict these markets. Okay? Like I said, I'm not going to sit here and tell you to buy or sell, buddy. But we're going to analyze these markets, wait for price to give us confirmation, and that's when we'll hop into anything. If we have to hop into anything, okay? What would you be ideally looking for the people that are new on here? A break, a retest, a rejection, and a push. As you can see over here, we did have the break, we had the retest. Well, we didn't have a retest, we're having a retest now, but we didn't have that break, okay? When will these buys kick in? If and when we break this level. When will the sells kick in? If price does a similar thing, but down in this region, okay? So, oops. A break, retest, and a rejection. Okay. All right, retest. Is anyone in with me on this small position? Anyone in with me at all? Looks like we're going up to test the EMA, guys. If we start to get rejected from that, probably gonna put in another $1 or $2. Okay, and let's listen. Like I said, we're not predicting these markets. Okay, so where do we want to buy this market? Your safer buys are going to be up here. It's going to be too quick to scalp NFP from here, so I'm just letting you guys know. Don't even try to get in for 19 pips. It's not worth it. Wait for price to break that. Okay, my $5 a pip, guys, I'm going to set a hard stop loss, and my hard stop loss is going to be at this level. Okay, possibly it could even push up to maybe the 900 region as a liquidity grab. Okay, one-on-ones, you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about a liquidity grab if that wants to happen. Okay, so I'm probably gonna hold $5 a pip. Yep, it's about 40 pips. I have no problem with that. And let's see. Okay, if I get stopped out of that position, I will wait for price to close in a box, and that's when I'll look to get in on anything. Okay, and I'm not afraid of a small L. You've got to risk some to make some. Okay, guys. So I am going to be watching that area, and I have another sell order. Let's put in for the US 30 on the break of the lows. Okay, all right, and one-on-ones, what are we seeing on Nasdaq right now? what is the zone that we're in as we speak? Lovely. Great job, Neha. Great job, Tusu. Great job, JJ. Okay, we are currently accumulating orders. Okay, I want you all to see, and I want you all to notice that we're also building into a little bit of an apex right there. Okay, so let's see how we want to break past that. Let's see how we want to potentially get a continued move. Okay. Okay, we've got about 3 more minutes to news. Guys, just to let you all know that I've also set a take profit in case this wants to happen, okay? How much am I looking for? About 30, 40, 50 pips, whatever I get. I have set 50 pips, but I'm gonna monitor my trade real quick because, guys, I'll need to remember slippage is real, especially for news, especially when there's a surge and an injection of volume. You will be experiencing slippage irrespective of whatever broker you're with, okay? So please be careful about that. Don't use your normal crazy lots, literally go 1/10, okay? Look at that, gold. They're building some supply over here. Okay, if gold pops off from here, boom, we're pushing up, okay? If it starts to come back down, this would be your aggressive scalp. This would be your cleaner, safer scalp. Okay, 70 people on Zoom. What's up, you guys? If anyone's new on here, welcome to Forex Trading. Let's have a good one, okay? My positions are smaller today as well, okay? Just letting you all know. Let's see, come on. Try to set your stop losses as well if you guys, my one-on-ones, if you're going to be trading orders, try to set those stop losses in too, okay? If we happen to get the drop and if we happen to get the move the way I said, I'm going to look to liquidate in this region, and I'm just going to leave another small position that is, inshallah, going to make us some more money, okay? Okay, everything's saying sell. But I have a feeling these markets are gonna play with us before they give us that. Okay? Safe entries, you guys, safe entries. And if y'all don't feel comfortable taking a trade in the next 30 seconds, please don't. Wait for a candle to close. Okay? If you don't feel confident, you'll end up losing money. Right? So wait, and that's the best thing that you can do for yourself, your psychology, and your account. Okay, looks like they're stepping some buyers in. 10 seconds to NFP. Let's have a good one, you guys. Let's see how these markets want to give it to us, okay? This is NFP in the next 3 seconds. If the buys happen, let them happen, all right? Don't be stressing about it. Okay, there you go. All right, triggered. I am triggered. There, let's get it. It's really, really erratic, guys. It's really erratic. Okay, so I am currently triggered in on my trade. Small position, nothing too big. I'm gonna watch for this region. If we happen to break it with momentum, like now, I'm out. I just got stopped out of Dow Jones, you guys. I hope none of y'all got in with that, but I just got stopped out on Dow Jones. What's the L that I took? I took 30 bucks a pip, well, 5 that I had running, and 25 more for 32 pips. Okay, roundabout there. Do the math. Tough, tough candle. Gold's pushing higher. Okay. Let's see. What does this tell me? This tells me that cram. Wait for a candle to close. Okay, so now I'm gonna wait and watch. And let's see if this wants to be a liquidity grab, or let's see if this actually wants to push higher. Now it all depends on where they close, you guys. Can anyone quickly tell me what NFP says? Wow, look at gold. Is anyone in on gold, guys? Anyone take an L with me on the dirty? Okay, I reckon everyone's in trade right now, which is why no one's answering. Took an L on dirty. Okay, good. W and L on the dirty. W and L. Okay. NFP 187K. Thank you, Chandra. Thank you, Emily. Alright, guys, weight game. These markets are going super bullish. Now, see, let's break down what happened over here. Based off of the technicals, right? And I keep telling this to you guys, we don't have a magic ball, right? Based off of the technicals, everything was screaming bearish, bearish. Before news popped, we broke the 50 and it looked like we were retesting the 50. So as a technical trader, what are we going to be doing? We're going to be getting ready for sells, right? But now these markets want to have their retail trap. These markets want to push high. Let's see if this is going to be a liquidity grab, or let's see if these markets are actually going to push bullish. Okay, it's a matter of time. Wait and watch. Look at that rejection. 2 minutes left in this candle. Come on, dirty. If they drop down, I'm gonna hammer a big one, and I'm gonna make money off of the analysis and get done with this week. Okay, because I have. There you go. All right, sorry guys, I'm not gonna talk too much right now. Okay, let them do their thing. Gold pushed higher, tested out about the 1953 region, round about there. That's what we tested, and now we've got to see if we're going to get rejected or we're going to come back. Okay. Like I said, if anyone was over leveraging their accounts right now, y'all would have been in a bad spot, right? We spoke about how price could test the 900. Now there is a surge of buyers as we speak, so these markets definitely are going to have some sort of moves, but let's see. Okay, it's just erratic right now. Cram, I need to send message to Cash today for this weekend session, correct? Yes, Emily, but actually I don't think we're doing the express sessions this weekend. Message her anyway and she'll update you about it, okay? Cool, is anyone in any trade right now, or are we just watching you guys? I'm scared of NFPs, so watching. It's all part of the game. Emily, you're going to take L's, you're going to take W's. You're eventually going to realize that trading NFP, trading any sort of news, as long as your risks are calculated, it's just another L. You know what I'm saying? As long as it doesn't hurt your account, it's okay because you learn from it, right? And it is what it is, guys. These markets, like I keep saying, they're not in our control. Okay, 5 seconds. Let's see if price wants to close, have a retest and break, and if it does that, maybe, just maybe, we can look to hop it, okay? Come on, expect trampoline effect, you guys. Trampoline effect. Let's get it to push down. Okay, I'm watching Nasdaq as well. Okay. If we break this high on Nasdaq, I may just hop in. Okay, quick couple of pips. Recover what I've lost for the day, and close the week a happy man. Okay, and the same thing applies with US 30. If we have a rejection and we start to pick back up from there, from this region, that's another entry point for you guys. Be careful though, okay? Okay, I'm in on Nasdaq, you guys. Again, only a small position, nothing big. Please trust me when I say this. I'm not going to be taking any bigger positions as we speak. Okay, I'm in with. There you go. Come on, let's push. I'm on YouTube as well. I'm not going to tell you guys my lots, but I am in with small positions, testing it out. Okay. Isn't us a good entry since it rejects? Yes, absolutely it is, but we've still got the NFP momentum. Okay. All right, look at US 30 as well. Look at US 30 as well. Now, when could we potentially start looking for these sells? When this starts or wants to become a red candle. Okay, so one-on-ones, you all know what we're building over here. Wherever you start to see the wicks, we're building in. Okay, guys, I'm running. Wherever we start to build the wicks, that's where some supply is going to be kicking in. Okay, even the small wins are making me happy today. I love it. I love it. Okay, I have recovered what I've lost. I'm going to close my trade real quick. Okay, I pulled out my position from Nasdaq, guys. Okay, I was down about 850 for the day, and I made about 1200 on this trade, so that leaves me up for the day. And now, for the ones that want to sell this market, wait for price to potentially push back down. Made 0.3. Cheers, brother. Cheers, brother. That's awesome, man. Okay, there you go. Rejection number 1 on the dirty. Let's see. So I can never trade on MFF on NFP. My broker is frozen. I don't think you've heard the news, Shelby. MFF, it's temporarily shut. I can't trade. Yeah, because it's temporarily shut. All accounts are frozen. They have a court hearing on the 11th of September. And yeah. So nothing for today. Yeah. Okay. Alright, good retest on gold. You can see right at the resistance. Is anyone still on the gold buys? This would have made for another nice entry, right? If someone entered, where is it? If someone entered over here, you should be running about 20 pips, and your wick fill move is about 35, 37 pips. Ugh, look at Nasdaq. We're still pushing. Anyone still in on Nasdaq? I liquidated my position in its entirety. But is anyone still in on Nasdaq? Nope. Okay. I'm glad I liquidated. These markets can do whatever they want. I'm happy closing my day on break even, especially on some like NFP. Okay. Alright, a little bit of an apex being built over here. Listen, if you guys are going to be trading market open, watch for that region for the sells. Okay. They look good. They look good. Okay. The sells were the bias to begin with. US 30 is frozen for me too. Yeah. What broker are you on? FTM or demo? Well, that happens. What do you guys think is going to happen for market open? Do you guys think US 30 is going to buy or sell? What do you guys think? Baha, sell. JJ, sell. Sell. Okay. So you guys see why I think these markets should sell, right? Most of y'all are from my one-on-ones, but y'all see why, right? Based off of price action, this market should go down, right? That was the anticipation when we started pre-NFP release, right? But that's the part that news has, you guys. And that's where risk management kicks in, right? Because if y'all don't have risk management, if someone was over leveraging that account and got in on the trade with me, the one that I took an L on, you'd be in trouble. Straight up, you'd be in trouble right now. But if you would have, I wouldn't even say under leveraged your account, but if you would have just been slightly conservative, you would have been able to take the L like I did. And then, y'all know me, I aggressively got in, recovered my money, and got out of these markets. Okay? So, risk management. The analysis is one part of this. Okay? The analysis is also subjective. But if you don't have risk management, these markets are going to be impossible for you guys to crack. Okay? Yeah, they could still push higher. Let's see the scalp pro. US 30's given us nothing as of right now, right? Let's take a look at the higher time frames, okay? On the 1H, we could still very much be bullish, okay? But look at that resistance that's going to be kicking in, which is based off of the RSI as well, okay? So lots of liquidity that could be expected, lots of liquidity that could be happening up in this region, okay? Look at the 15 minutes. Good divergence. Excuse me, good divergence kicking in. Yep, that's a possibility, JJ. It always is, right? Okay, look at that. They're now starting to push down. Let's see if they want to hold. Let's switch back to the 5s. Oof. Look at US 30. Come on, US 30. Give us the move. We deserve the move. Okay, let's watch out for that area. Gold sells. This. I say if we respect that and start a push down, this could be a nice little sell. Okay, bouncing back up, you guys. Ugh. Erratic markets, okay? Super erratic. Is anyone still in any trades at all? Not at all. Yeah, me neither. Close US 30 10 pips profit. Good. Okay. That rejection. Let's see. Let's see if they want to push. Okay. This needs to start becoming a red candle to give you the move. What plans do you guys have for the weekend? What are we doing? Sam spread. Still on dirty? Are you on the buys or the sells? Study. Birthday weekend. Was working yesterday. Awesome, man. Happy birthday to you, buddy. Friend is visiting. Awesome. Having a festival tomorrow. Sunday, preparing for my first intern on Monday. Best of luck, Susie. Barbecue with the wife. Sounds awesome. Beat mine. Yard work. If it doesn't rain more. Thanks, Graham. I love Cash more. Seeing as you wish it me on the day. What about you, Cram? We are. Well, we're not traveling. We're just going close by. Just getting a little bit of a breather. We're also going to be getting some work done whilst we're getting that breather. And yeah, it's just going to be us spending some time together. And then, of course, got the fight card to watch. To the ones that are new on here, I'm a pretty crazy UFC or MMA fan, and yeah, I'm gonna be watching the fight card, and yeah, that should be fun. Going to the beach with Madison, lovely, man. That sounds good. Guys, also give me some time, Joe. This one's for you, buddy. Give me some time with the prop firms. Let me just take the weekend, figure it out proper, and I will let you guys know. Okay, because a lot of people are putting out names, which is good, of course, but you really, really want to know what you're getting into. Okay, so make sure that you'll personally know at least one person that has received at least one payout, and they've actually received the money, the crypto, whatever it is, into their accounts or into their wallets. Okay, so make sure that you guys are doing that before hopping on, or else just give me the weekend. I'm gonna talk with some of my folks, and we'll try and find an alternative. Okay, my suggestion to y'all would be just wait 10 days, guys. 10 days is not going to change the world. Okay, wait for 10 days. The ones that are already invested in, and we are as well. Okay, I don't know if Cash has told y'all or not, but she trades our MFF accounts, and we're in the same boat as you guys. Okay, we're also only human. We're no insiders. We're just we're in the same boat as you guys. Okay, so be positive. Let's see what happens in the next 10 days, and don't be jumping to conclusions as of now. Okay, these things happen, but let's hope we can retrieve our funds. Okay. All right, so this stuff is just gonna push higher. Y'all have levels, guys. Do we have any questions? Listen, I personally am not gonna be taking any more trades. Naturally, I again, to give y'all a recap, I took an L today for 850, and it was just 25 bucks a pip, and then I practically just became aggressive and got back in and made my pips, made my 10 pips, and recovered the money and more. Okay, so that was my day, a roller coaster of a day. I wouldn't expect a new trader to be able to do what I just did, which is natural, but maybe it's a good thing that MFF rose today, huh? But all jokes apart, I'm done for the day. Do we have any questions from Zoom? I will answer them. Zoom guys, stay on the call. I'm gonna end YouTube and I'm gonna be back. All right, YouTube, thank you guys for joining. Not too many people left over here, but I appreciate you guys. We will be back next week. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you guys are. I'm Cram, my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading, you guys. And also, if y'all haven't joined our Discord server as yet, go on and click on the link in the description. It's free. Okay, you don't need to be on YouTube. You can hop on to the Zoom call that's happening simultaneously. Okay, thank you guys. I will catch you all later, YouTube. Bye. Okay, YouTube's out of the picture. What a friggin' roller coaster, man. Not even gonna lie, guys. Today I'm so thankful that I didn't use a bigger position. I'm not even kidding. Okay, there was a point where I've literally been shutting up since about 4:30 my time, which is an hour and a half before I came on to the stream, and I had my eyes on the dirty. Seriously, I thought this shit is gonna sell, and it's gonna sell hard. I um, I was confident, and I'll go to the extent to say that I was overconfident, that I actually wanted and thought that I'm gonna put a big order and just let that be. Something hit me. Before I got on the stream, I was like, Mark, don't do that. The world is being emotional today with the news that's come out. That's somewhere or the other gonna have an effect on you as well. Okay, I talk to myself in third person sometimes. Yeah, and I'm so glad I had that realization, and I literally went in with just $25 a pip. I want you guys to think, of course, if I had my bigger positions in these markets, I would have definitely put on a tight stop loss, but you all know how bad the slippage can be, especially during news and all of that good stuff. Okay, so I'm just glad, thank the universe, thank whatever, whoever, but I'm glad I had a small position in, because I would have hated to close the week on a negative note, right? But let's talk about what happened after that. I lost. I was itching to hop on and make some money. Straight up. The retest happened. The rejection happened. Small position here. Pushed up slightly higher. What was I thinking? I was thinking at the least, they're at least going to test out that candle body, right? Best case scenario. Best case scenario. I'm sorry, guys. I was showing it to you on the wrong chart, right? This is what I meant. Over here, right? Small position when we started to push higher, bigger position, and I was thinking best case scenario, we're at least going to test out these highs, and if not these highs, we're going for that wick fill. Okay, so we were looking at about 20 and 37 pips. Okay, I got in over here, caught 10 pips happily, and walked away. And this also was in my bigger position. This was a smaller position. I did not want to risk more than I had already lost, and I managed to make back what I lost, and about $250 over that. Okay, not complaining. It's a great day. It's still a win. It's still $250 that I didn't have before this session, and it's $850 that I had lost already on the session. Okay, so I am closing my trading week on a good note. I hope you guys do and will as well. If the moves want to continue to play out, US 30, we're looking to, like I said, I'm gonna keep an eye on this. Okay, I really do like this level, and I'm gonna have my eyes on this for market open. If we want to break these highs and push forward, screw it. We're just gonna catch this level next week probably. Okay, but if we happen to break this and I see a definitive move, I'm gonna try and hop in at least down to that wick fill. Okay, nothing big, small positions, in, out, get done with it. This, it should break down. If it don't break down, we're gonna bounce back up. Okay, if we bounce back up, we're looking to test out those highs. What that basically is going to mean is that we're going to build into some demand in this region, and we're going to probably test those highs. Okay, so see how Nasdaq wants to play, and gold is being gold, man. Literally, I don't think we're going to get any further moves on gold. Yes, the retracement could happen, no problem, but you guys want to still be careful, because it is a Friday, it is NFP, and there is the volatility of NFP that's still rolling in these markets. Okay, I'm gonna go to the chat real quick. Leverage is good to trade with small accounts. My trade offs. Wise to one should be. Yep. So listen, it's only the buying power. With what we use, with the way we scalp, with how aggressive we are, 1:100 works really well. 100x the buying power of what your capital is. Okay, so don't be stressing about it. Do whatever you have to, and if you feel comfortable trading it, go ahead and trade it. Okay, talking to yourself is fine. Answering yourself is weird. Yes, Alpha. I would have finished off 3% if MFF didn't. It's all good, buddy. Please show nasty for sure. Okay, guys, any other questions, or are we good to call it a session? You know what? Screw it. I'm gonna wait 3 more minutes, right? 3 more minutes, because new hourly candles kicking in. Dow Jones is potentially trying to sell off. 3 more minutes, okay? Just for the 37 of you guys that stayed on. For NFP, we had 70 people. Everyone saw that. Okay, shit day. Cram took an L. We're out of here. We're heading to the weekend. But for you 37, let's see if we want to get a move, or if we're gonna get a pushback up. Okay, so 3 minutes isn't gonna hurt anyone. 2% profit today, can't complain. That's awesome, buddy. Congratulations. Caught the buy and sell on gold. Awesome. Okay. Yeah, no, they look like they still want to push up. It's erratic, you guys. This is definitely choppy, but the range of these candles is so much more, man. You know, it's not just your regular regular volatile markets. These are volumized and they're volatile. It's crazy, crazy. And literally, gold is just barcoding, right? Look at that, back forth, back forth, back forth, just barcoding. Okay, 40 seconds to go. Let's see. I'm gonna leave an alert for myself over here. Yep, everything's barcoded, buddy. Okay, bullish candle. They're going to try and create some supply up here, but they're also coming into the support over here. They'll just pick back up, guys. If the move happens, it's most likely going to be a market open move. Stay away from this chop. My recommendation to y'all would be just don't even trade market open. If you guys are going to be trading it, please be careful. The only trade I'm going to take, if something plays out, is the sell here. Apart from that, these markets can do whatever they like. I have 0 alerts, so I'm not even going to know until and unless price does only what I wanted to do, which is it'll break down here. Okay, have a lovely weekend, you guys. Don't stress about the MFF stuff. I'm telling you, okay, it'll be okay. This shit happens. Listen, worst situation, our accounts go, they cease to exist, but I promise you, someone will jump on that opportunity and offer something better. Okay, and the only reason I say this is because MFF is one of the biggest players in the game, right? It's not a small thing for MFF to go through this and put their community through this. Okay, so best believe our accounts are safe, and worst situation, we're gonna have some sort of compensation. Okay, don't worry about it. Have a good one. I will talk to you guys next week. The schedule will be up in, I think, probably by Sunday. If you guys want to join the one-on-ones, message Cash Effects. She does have, look at that, Message Cash Effect, she does have some slots that are open right now. There is about an 8 to 10 week wait time, guys, but we do have the express package course, which makes you skip the wait time and you guys can hop in from next weekend, not this weekend, but the next weekend. Okay, so let us know if you guys are interested. Either open up a support ticket on our server or go on to the general chat and just tag Cash and ask her for the one-on-ones and she'll message you. Okay, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. Have a great weekend. I will catch you guys for another solid week on Monday. Alright, take it easy, guys. I'm Mark, aka CrimeFX. My partner is Cash and Milzone, and this is Forex Trading. Cheers, you guys. Have a good one. Bye. Watch out for the sales, okay? And post up some success stories as well. Thanks. Bye.